In the 10th century BC, Nepolemus fled to the island of Rhodes after killing his grand uncle in Ephyra. He later divided the island into 3 parts: Camiros, Lacissos, and Lindos, which he named after his daughters. I wasn't there, but that's how the story goes. Anyways, Lindos grew to be a major trading center because of its strategic eastern location. It was also a massive naval power, and history says it played a huge part in the Trojan War. Ah yes, that war between the ancient Greeks and people of Troy, which started when Helen, the wife of the king of Sparta, was abducted by Paris, a prince of Troy. But this isn't a history video, it's a drone video of Lindos and its landmark Acropolis. Lindos continued to pull visitors and traders from far and wide like in the olden days, and its profile helps to draw nearly 3 million people annually to the island of Rhodes. In this drone video, you can see the Acropolis, a fortified hilltop that overlooks the village and the sea. Built in 408 BC, the Acropolis is an archaeological treasure with monuments and ruins from different periods and civilizations. The most important of the ruins is the temple of Athena Lindia, the patron goddess of Lindos, which dates back to the 4th century BC. As a natural fortification, the Acropolis was used by the ancient Greeks and by the Romans, the Byzantines, Knights of St. John, and later on by the Ottomans. The Acropolis also has a Byzantine church, a medieval castle, and an ancient theater. You can also see the village of Lindos, a charming and whitewashed settlement with narrow streets, traditional houses, and colorful flowers. The village has preserved its authentic character and architecture, despite the influx of tourists and modern amenities. In the village, you can find cafes, restaurants, and bars where you can enjoy the local cuisine, the nightlife, and the hospitality of the people of Lindos. The village also has many churches, chapels, and shrines, some of which date back to the Byzantine era. To the right of the Acropolis is the picturesque St. Paul's Bay, a small and secluded cove with crystal clear water and a sandy beach. Named after the Apostle Paul, tradition has it that he landed here in 51 AD after his shipwreck and preached Christianity to the Dorians. This time I was there. I visited the bay, not when St. Paul came around. The bay consists of 2 smaller beaches surrounded by big rocks. The bay has a small church dedicated to St. Paul, which is a popular venue for weddings and baptisms. The bay also offers a stunning view of the Acropolis and the village. In all, Lindos is well preserved, serene, and a delight to tourists as well as lovers of Greek history. It survived near intact the fire that swept through the island of Rhodes in mid-2023, and hopefully will be around for another million years. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this drone footage of the historic site of Lindos. Please let me know what you think in the comment section, and do subscribe to our channel for more drone videos.